Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Node and all. Today I want to go through these trading indicators that I discussed in my previous video. Just to give you guys a little update here, Bitcoin is on the move, and not in a good way. It's on the move down right now. Looks like it's already dropped about 2% today, and we got the 3-day sell signal in here. As you can see, the sell dot actually came in on May 22nd. You can see my screen here on this sell dot. Typically, if the next candle isn't red, I don't recommend selling. However, we do have some price action here today on this 3-day chart that I want to go through, and how you guys can utilize these indicators to really benefit. Okay, so on the bottom we have the Swing Trade Pro indicator that will give you early buy dots and early sell dots. So right now you can see that we had an early sell that came in on May 13th. This is a 3-day chart, guys, on the Coinbase chart, and then a sell dot that actually came in on the May 22nd. However, the next candle isn't a red candle, so typically I probably wouldn't sell here. Sometimes, you know, it can be a little tricky. That's why I like to use the arrows, the Swing Trade Pro buy sell signals as well, because it kind of gives you an idea of where the big moves are actually going to happen. So if I go into like a daily chart, obviously there's going to be a lot more arrows here, and it's going to, you know, kind of give you, you know, a shorter time frame on Bitcoin. That's why I like to use at least a 3-day chart when charting Bitcoin, or maybe even sometimes mostly a weekly chart, just to try to catch the biggest moves. So like right now, February 4th, we got a buy dot actually December 17th, okay? But the green arrow didn't actually come in until this doji candle printed on February 4th to actually enter in a long position on Bitcoin, okay? So the buy-sell signals, the Swing Trade Pro buy and sell dots. I think the buy dots are actually obviously better when buying, because you would have bought the next candle that was green. So you would have bought on December 24th, 2018, and you would have paid anywhere in the, you know, $3,500 to $3,700 range. I mean, I guess you would have paid around a similar time on the arrow. So, you know, obviously it depends on, you know, what you're going to go by, but I would say a combination of the two is good to have. So that's we got the buy sell signal, we got the Swing Trade Pro, and then we also have the RSI strategy here, which kind of gives you an idea of you know, where we're at on the histogram here. Obviously we're trending downwards right now, which would make sense because we've had quite a run here since February. I believe there's 2 more indicators that actually come with package. That let me just see what's going on here. So there's the volume indicator also, which I think we already covered that. The buy sell, and then there's a Keltner channels that also are included in the package. So Keltner kind of gives you an idea also if you're overbought or oversold. If you're above there, let me turn off my moving average. So really, I think there's actually 4 indicators here that we're actually we utilize, but you can get away with having the buy sell arrows, the Keltner channels are helpful, the RSI strategy, and then the Swing Trade Pro buy and sell dots. So right now, I would obviously be cautious on this candle here, guys. Although we didn't get a weekly sell dot, this week obviously isn't over yet. So, but on the 3-day chart, we just got a sell dot the sell arrow came in actually on Sunday, as you can see. And so we actually ended up having a red candle here today. So I think we are projected to drop definitely close to the previous supports. Were like right around. First stop is going to be engulf the 9-day moving average here, and then if we engulf the 20-day, then we're really going to retest the 50-day down here at around 5K. This is a classic rising wedge pattern that we've got going on here on Bitcoin. I would be cautious, guys, if you guys haven't taken profits yet, or if you guys are actually looking for a good buying opportunity, you know. So, you know, you guys got to kind of just wait it out. If you haven't purchased any Bitcoin down here, down at these levels, I would obviously be patient. Because I believe there will be some sort of correction here after this type of move we just had. So, and to get kind of an idea of what the projected move is, from the bottom of this channel to the top of it is roughly, and you can see also on the 4-hour, we got a sell dot that came in at, it's like around 4 p.m., 8 o'clock yesterday, Eastern time. That was the time to sell, because you got that, as soon as the next candle comes in that's red, you know, you would have been out or you would have been shorting. So I have also this other indicator that I use, but it's not in our package. It's the M3 KC mod, and basically what you're able to do here is to it'll tell you when the candles are overbought or oversold. I think I briefly touched upon that in my last video. You can kind of see also, I also use the standard deviation for support and resistance. This is also a free indicator for you guys. So it'll kind of give you an idea of where the next support is here, right above it right now. It kind of wicked off into it. But anyways, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel if you like my content. And be sure to check out the links in the description below to my website, masternode.com, if you guys have any questions or need a consultation or want to learn about how to earn some passive income or check out some of these trading indicators. Hit me up in my Discord. I'm always there. Thanks, guys.